Hello, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you are watching Technical Spark. In this video, we are going to learn schedule tasks, like what are the schedule tasks Deep Security Administrator should configure in their environment. So we'll provide answer to that question. So for that, let's log into the Deep Security Manager console. But before that, one small intro video. Welcome back guys. Now very first let's log into our Deep Security Manager console. Let me enter my credential. Once you logged in, go to the administration. Under administration, you can see there is an option at left side that is a schedule task and event based task. So very first we'll understand what is schedule task. So as you could see, these first two tasks were automatically configured by Deep Security Manager. I haven't made any changes. So very first task is actually check for the updates. Second task is check for the security updates, and in third task, which is I have configured, it's basically scan your computer for integrity changes, and the fourth one is recommendation scan. So it checks your system health, whether your system has any vulnerability or any ports open. So all those things are covered by this fourth scan, and accordingly it applies the firewall or intrusion prevention IPS rules. And the fifth one is not a task, but this is my schedule report. So all schedule reports also be seen into this particular schedule task option. Now let me show you how we can configure those. Click on new. Under the type, click on this drop down list. As we saw earlier, these first two tasks are already been configured. If you want to discover other computers which don't have Deep Security agent, then you can do so just by clicking on discover computers. How frequently you want to run this particular scan. So daily is fine, or you can select weekly also. Now click on next. At what time you would like to run this scan. So let's say I would like to run this scan midnight 1:30 AM. What will be your time zone? So this is fine for me because I am from the India, and here we'll select every Monday. Now click on next. What will be your IP range? So you can enter your own IP range. So mine is this, so this is perfectly fine. This option is very useful. Automatically resolve IPs to hostname. Add Discover computer to a group. So I'm using only one group computer, so this is perfectly fine for me. If you want to perform port scan as well, you can do that and click on next. This is my weekly discover computers. Again click on finish, and that's it. This particular task has been created. You can see the logo also. Whenever you see box and the check mark, that means it's a schedule task. And when you see one horizontal line in the particular icon, that simply means it indicates report. Now let's configure one more schedule task. Daily is fine, and my report would be generate and send reports. Daily is fine. Click on next. At what time you would like to run this? So I'm choosing here 09 AM 30. It has to be run every day. Next. What exactly report you would like to send? Let's say system reports only. The classification will be blank. That is fine. Here I don't want to change anything because I'm choosing here all computers. Now click on next. To whom you would like to send this? So I have only one user, so select that. Next and finish. Here you go. It will this particular report will be run every day at 9:30 AM. And if in case you want to duplicate anything, you can do so by clicking on duplicate button. Similar way, if you want to run any task right now, then you can do that by clicking on run task now option. Now let's go to the event based task. Under this, click on new. In events, so whenever your new computer is detected by Deep Security Manager, or computer moved from one group to another, or let's say agent initiated activation. So click on that, click next. So when the agent is initiated activation, what you would like to do? So let's say I would like to apply policy that will be Spark server. If you want to assign any relay to that particular newly added server, you can do so by clicking on this relay group option. Also, if you want to move any PC to any different group, you can do that by selecting your group name here. Now click on next. Additionally, if you want to set any criteria to match this particular condition, then you can do that. For an example, I'll say here host computer name matches, let's say, the computer which start with the host name test, right? If the test keyword is there, then this particular condition will work. Additionally, if you want, let's say platform, whether it's a Windows or Linux, you can specify your platform here. So if these two particular conditions are matches, then only that particular agent initiated PC will be moved to that our test group and apply the given policy, that is Spark server. Now click on next. Review all the configuration and make sure this particular box has tick in it. Now click on finish. That's it guys. So this is how you can create multiple event based tasks as per your requirement. Now let me click on cancel. So friends, I hope you have understood how to set up schedule task as well as event based task. If you still have any question queries, then please feel free to let me know in the comment box below. I'll definitely try to answer your all questions as always. If you found this video useful, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon so that you will never miss my future video notification. That's it in this video. This is Sohan signing out.